guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my 4th week update on rice water. You guys previously seen in my previous videos how I do my rice water. I'm still doing it with before I wash my hair and using the avocado deep conditioner afterwards. I found out my hair that it retain more moisture that way if I use the rice water before I do my deep conditioner and then sit on the hooded dryer. So I've been working out. I haven't seen any major difference in my hair with using the rice water. It still do the same thing. So I haven't had anything for week 4 to tell you guys about it, but I just wanted to let you guys know because I said I'm just gonna stick it out to the end of March and let you guys know how it is going working out for my hair, and stay tuned. The curls is popping. I just put the bentonite clay mask in, and I use my DIY avocado deep conditioner. So if you haven't seen that video of how I make my DIY avocado deep conditioner, please go check that out. I'll leave it in the description box below. But as you can see, guys, my hair is popping, my curls are popping. This has no product on there yet. This is just using the bentonite clay mask and the my DIY avocado deep conditioner. And now I'm gonna do a wash and go on my hair. My hair don't really do well with wash and go. I don't know if it's because I'm not used to doing it. I'm not that good at it, but I'm gonna try again. Hopefully it's a success this time. If it's a success, I'm gonna redo it another day and record it for you guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching this a little mini video of my updated rice water week 4, and bye.